Hello viewers, my name is Kuldeep Singh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Skills. Guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and please do hit the bell icon for latest updates. Hello viewers, today we will learn how to configure Rs Linx and Rs Logix software. Basically, we will learn about SLC and micrologics, means we will talk about Rs Logix 500. So let's start. So first of all, we have to configure the Rs Linx, that is the communication software. You can see the cursor. This is the Rs Linx software. Just you have to click this icon and this software will open. Let's see, it's opening. So the software is opened. Now you can see here, you can see communications. Go to communications, just click on configure drivers. When you will click on configure drivers, a pop-up window will open, and here you can see configured drivers. Configured drivers, in name and description it is written there is some driver that is running, that is EMU 501 SLC 500 DH485 emulator driver. So first you have to stop this previous running driver and delete this previous running driver. Now you have to go to available driver types. Just click this down arrow. When you click this down arrow, you will see the list of drivers that are available. First of all, we will see how to configure if we have RS-232 communication. Means you have RS-232 port and RS-232 cable connected to your MicroLogix 1000, or you can say a SLC or any MicroLogix series. Then you have to click on this RS-232 DF1 devices. Then you have to click here on add new. Just click on add new. Then when you click on add new, it will ask you, you can give another name. I am not giving any another name. I will click on OK. Now you can see another pop-up window. This pop-up window, here you have to configure the COM port, device, baud rate, station number, parity, error checking, stop bits and protocol. You don't have to write separately everything. You can just click on auto configure. But one thing you have to keep in mind, that PLC should be properly connected with your laptop or PC. But right now I don't have any PLC. When I will configure, when I click on auto configure, it will show a failure. Otherwise, when you have a PLC, you have a hardware that is connected and the communication is healthy, it will show the configuration successful. Then it means your PLC is configured and it will automatically configure all the parameters that are shown above. So I will just click on auto configure. Let's see what happens. When I will click on auto configure, it is showing unable to open specific COM port for configuration testing, because my PLC, I am not connected in PLC. If you will connect a PLC, definitely it will show a message that auto configuration is successful, or it will show a failure if it is there is some error. I will just click on OK, and I can just click here OK again. You can also cancel it. I will just click on OK. Let's see what happens. It is written that Rs Linx has failed to configure the COM port. The COM port may already be in use. Okay, so it will showing this driver, but it's showing a COM port conflict. So I will just delete this, stop this and delete this. This was the part when you have a PLC connected with the RS-232. If you don't have a PLC, just you want to learn the PLC programming on your laptop, you can learn it without having a PLC. You can do it in simulation with the emulator mode. Just you have to click down arrow this, you have to go to available driver types again. Just to click here, go to this SLC 500 DH485 emulator driver, click here, just again add new. Just this is a short name you can take, just click OK. Again, don't have to give any station number, click OK, and it will show here running. So this is how you can configure emulator in Rs Linx. Just close this pop-up window and you can minimize this. You can also check here, it is written EMU 500 DH485. Just when you will click here, it will show a PC. If you have a communication with RS232 or any communication network, it will also show a PLC over here. But right now we don't have a PLC, we are just configuring with the emulator, so it will only show only a PC. Just you have to minimize this Rs Linx. You just have to minimize this Rs Linx, and now we will learn about Rs Logix software. For Rs Logix software, you can see the cursor here, a ladder is written, ladder icon is there. Just you have to click this ladder icon, and this is a software of Rs Logix 500. And but right now this is the Rs Logix micro software. It is only for MicroLogix series, only for 1100 series, but it is same as Rs Logix 500 software. Just you have to open this software, then you have to go to file and to select new. When you select new, it will show here a pop-up window that is select processor type, and here you can see the number of hardware available. But whatever you have hardware that is available with you, you can select that hardware. Right now I am just selecting randomly, I am selecting MicroLogix 1000, and I will click on OK. It will just open this software. You can also check your communication. You have to go to this controller properties, just click on control properties, double click on it. It will open a pop-up window. In this you have to go on controller communications. When you go on controller communications, you can see a driver here. If you have a RS232 communication, it will show RS232, but right now because we have selected emulator driver, so it is showing this emulator driver. So sometimes it will show unknown, then you have to select this emulator driver, then only your program will download. Okay, so this is the part how to configure. Just click on OK. This is the part how to configure this Rs Linx and Rs Logix. In next video I will explain you the programming part. So for now, thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Also hit the bell icon for latest updates. Please give this video thumbs up and do share it with your friends. Also please comment below how do you like this video. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will definitely answer your questions. Thank you very much.